Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, the third video in a row. Um, this video was unplanned either, but since Christmas is coming, I decided to make a gift to all my co-workers, and to one of my co-workers I decided to give these beautiful hair clips. You know them. If you follow my channel, you follow my videos, you saw a very detailed post review about both of them. Actually, there were three of them. I already gave away one, and two are left. So in any case, in order for me to give it away, I needed to seal it. I'm taking my words back about Liquitex. It did let me down with the journal where I use Swarovski crystals. Unfortunately, did take away the sparkle of Swarovski crystals. But when it comes to other diamond paintings where I use just regular drills, regular rhinestones, crystals, not Swarovski, it does not take away the individual sparkle of the drills. Of course, they do not sparkle as much as before, but still the sparkle does remain. More than that, I guess I did a very bad job applying the Liquitex on my e-journal, because I also on my journal, because I complained that the protection was not as great. It was my fault. In reality, this Liquitex has secures the drills very much. So I really like it. I recommend Liquitex varnish to everyone if you want to seal your diamond paintings. It does not, you don't have to make a lot of mess, like for example with resin. It's too messy, it's too time consuming. With Liquitex, just one coating and that's it. Your drills are secured and the sparkle remains. The camera doesn't reflect sparkle as well, but I'm sure you can see it. So this is the first one. You know, when I looked at it off the camera, it sparkles actually a lot. So the Liquitex didn't take away the sparkle at all. So these are two diamond paintings, sealed diamond paintings I wanted to show you and let you know that I absolutely agree with Grace, GB Maltese. This is the best sealant. The easiest one to apply, and it holds the drills in place and it does not take away the sparkle. Again, off the camera, the sparkle is intense. And I'm really very sorry for my background. I'm recording from my daughter's room, who has a lot of toys all over the place. So I also wanted to show you my framed diamond paintings of Virgin Mary. I made a very detailed post review on this kit like a few days ago, and this beautiful pink rose that I purchased from Diamond Painting Galore store, American seller. So like the frame is already drawn, you know, this pink frame, purple frame is drawn on the canvas, and I framed it in a golden one. It's 12 by 12 inches. Not sure what's going on with Michaels. I purchased it in Michaels. Online it costs $14, but there is no option to pick it up in the store. So the only option was to go to the store and buy it. But in the store it was $32. Oh well, I'm planning to give it away tomorrow to my boss, to my regional boss, to my regular boss, manager, as a gift, so I didn't really have a choice. I purchased it, but she did so much for me that, I mean, I would never pay off, you know, by giving her gifts. She's amazing. So I don't even regret buying it for $32. She deserves so much more. So I wanted to show you the framed diamond painting of Pink Rose. And as you see, the sparkle is also intense. And again, I'm just looking at it, not through the camera, but, you know, physically at the diamond painting, not through the camera. Oh my god, the sparkle is so beautiful. Way better than on the phone. I can't even catch the angle to show you that magnificent sparkle. And this actually frame was bought also in Macy's, in Michael's for $7. 25 by 35 centimeters. This one is actually bigger, costs less, and I guess it's the same material. Not sure, but oh well, just wanted to show you how it looks. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.